Okay guys, welcome back to one more session. So now we will start solving the questions on LinkedList. Guys, the very first question I want to take is cycle in the LinkedList because we just saw it, right? So guys, can you see the diagram? 3 is pointing to 2, 2 is pointing to 0, 0 is pointing to -4, -4 is pointing to 2. Can you see this guys? Can you see this? Now I want you people to understand there are two things in a linked list. I told you there will be a value and there will be an address, right? Did I start recording? Yeah. There will be a value, there will be address. Remember guys, values can be duplicated. Is it clear? First node can have 10, even second node can have 10, even third node can have 10, even fourth node can have 10. I can have multiple tens in one linked list or not? I can have multiple tens in one linked list or not. When you're trying to find the cyclicity, kindly don't focus on the values. Is it clear? But you know that every single node will have a unique address. Understanding? Every single node is having a unique address. Is it clear, guys? So understand, whenever the question is about identifying the cyclicity, I am not focusing on the numbers. I am focusing on what now? Address. Is it clear? Guys, what we will do in this question is, I will use the data structure of hash set. You remember what I'm using? Hash set. Do you people remember if we have the duplicates in the array return true? Do you remember if I have the duplicates in the array remove true? Here, I will store the address of the nodes I have visited. Is it clear? I'll keep on storing the address of the nodes I visited. See here, guys. This is case 1. This is case 1. Let's start, guys. Let's start. While the value of head is not equals to null. While the value of head is not equals to. Tell me, guys. What is the current value of head? What is the current value of head? Current value of head is 1000. Current value of head, not the number. Address. Oh, sorry, my bad. Current address of the head. Okay. Current address of the head is 1000. Correct. So now what I will do is I will check if h dot contains head. Is it clear? The variable head itself will give the address. Guys, tell me, is my hash set h containing 1000 here? No. So then this if condition will fail. What I will do is I will write h dot add of head. Is it clear? With this, I will add an element called as 1000 into my hash set. First thing is clear, guys. Now I will try to move from 1000 to 2000. How to do it? You write that update the value of head as current value of head with the next value. Is it clear, guys? With this, the value of my head becomes 2000. Tell me, guys, does h contain 2000? Does h contain 2000? No. This condition will fail. I will insert the address called as 2000. Then what I will do? Again I will do head is equals to head plus next. So 2000 is having a value called as 3000. The value of head becomes 3000. Is it clear, guys? Guys, tell me, does my head contain 3000? No, perfect. It doesn't contain 3000. What you need to do? Insert 3000. Okay, perfect. I've inserted 3000. Now, 3000 should take me to the next value. The next value becomes 4000. Is it clear? Oh, what happened? Yeah. The next value becomes 4000. Is it clear, guys? So now the value of head is 4000. Tell me, guys, is 4000 present in my hash set? No, don't give thumbs up. Okay, don't give thumbs up. I'll get confused. You give thumbs up only. Don't give thumbs down. You give thumbs up only if you understood. Okay, nange shock aಗುತ್ತೆ. You give thumbs up only. No problem. Is 4000 present here? No. Then what will happen? Add 4000. 4000 will be added. Now it will take me to the next value. The value of head becomes 5000. Guys, tell me, is 5000 present in my hash set? No. What will happen? 5000 will be added. Now, 5000 next is null. Now the value of head becomes null. Tell me, guys, is a null not equals to null? False. Then I'll come out of while loop. Guys, did you encounter any Did you encounter any cycle here? No. Then I will return false. Is it clear? First case is clear, guys. This is case 1. First case is clear. Now see the second case. 1000 is there. 1000 is pointing to 2000. 2000 is pointing to 3000. 3000 is pointing to 4000. And 4000 is pointing to 2000. Is it clear? Let me create my empty hash set. And you know, while the value of head is not equals to null, I need to check if my hash set h dot contains a value called as head. What I will do, will say it later. If it doesn't contain, h dot add of the current address of head, head is equals to head dot next. Guys, tell me, the first value of head is 1000. Is 1000 present in my hash set? No. So what will happen? 1000 will be inserted and the current next state value becomes 2000. Is it clear? Guys, is 2000 present in my hash set? No. The condition fails. H dot add. So I will add a inserted element called as 2000. Guys, 2000 will take me to a value called as 3000. Is 3000 present in my hash set? No. So I'll insert an element called as 3000. 3000 will take me to a value called as 4000. Okay. Is 4000 present in my hash sector? No. I'll insert a number called as 4000. Then 4000 will take me back to 2000, guys. Now the value of head is 2000. Does my h contain 2000 or not? And as I told, addresses cannot be duplicated. This means that I have came back to this position. Here I have found the cycle or not. Here I have found the cycle or not. Now I will return true. This is the logic. This is the logic to identify a cycle in linked list. Is it clear, guys? This is the logic to identify the cycle in linked list. Now let me see how I'll type it. First, let me type it in Java. Java students, see here. The name is given as list node. The data type is list node. What I will do is, let's start. No, don't use that stupid concept. Slow pointer, fast pointer, it's a stupid concept, okay? Because here index numbers are not there. You will have to use while loop to move forward. Clear? You cannot use directly because you have to go in while loops only. So if you're trying to jump in two data types, it will need while loop. Now listen, guys, the very first thing is the data is stored in head or not. Never ever directly update the value of head. You create one extra variable called as list node. Never ever touch the direct reference. I will create list node. Let me say the value of L is equals to head. Is it clear? Is it clear? I am copying the address of head into L. Directly don't start iterating. Use the extra variable, guys. Clear? Now, head is also having 1000, L is also having 1000. I am giving the address. I am giving the copy of the starting variable. Clear? In the future, if I want to traverse again, I need the starting address, guys. Guys, is it clear till now? Yes, list node is a class which they have defined by themselves. Okay. So my L is the object for this one. Clear, guys? Python students, clear? We'll write it in Python also, don't worry. And you can see list node has two things. First one is X, the second one is null. X is the value I'll store, that is val. And next is the address, guys. Shall we start now, guys? Ready? Ready? This program is to find the cyclicity. I told I have to store the addresses. I will create a hash set. Hash set. I need not focus on data type and all. Hash set h is equals to new hash set. Is it clear, guys? I need not write integer and all. Even if you write integer, there is no problem. Clear? But generally, I don't write it for the address. For address, you need not write anything. Is it clear, guys? If it is data, then you write it. Clear, guys? Everybody got it till now? Now see what I am writing. I have to traverse during the while loop. That is, while the value of head is not equals to null. Because anyways, L is having the copy. Don't worry. While the value of head is not equal, check, guys. If the value of h dot contains the value called as head, that means cycle is present. What I need to return? If cycle is present, I have to return true. So I will return true. Is it clear, guys? If the element I am visiting was already present, or else what I will do, I'll insert the current value. H dot add of head. Then move to the next pointer. How to move it? head is equals to head dot next. Is it clear, guys? If there was a cycle, this condition will be satisfied, true will be returned. If you come out of the while loop, that means you have reached the null pointer. If you have reached the null pointer, there cannot be any cyclicity. I will return false, guys. Did you understand, guys, how simple linked list is? It is similar to your arrays. How you traverse is different. Now when I run it, guys, I hope it passes. Guys, is it passing? Very good. When I submit it, guys, is it working, guys? Is it working or not? Everybody got it? Everybody got it till now? This is how you traverse. Python students, don't worry. I told you. I'll type it. I'll type it. See, guys. Python students, for us also, the name is list node only. I'll create list node L. Is it okay? And I'll assign the value called as head. Then I'll return false. Just a second. I will return false. It's been very long. I created object. So let me see if I should create like this or something else. Okay, invalid syntax, exactly. I will directly write, can I write L is equals to head? Write like this. Okay, fine then. Python students, you need not write the data type. You can directly write the name of the variable, okay? L is equals to head. Because in Python, we don't write int L, we only write L. Python students, clear till now? You just need to write L is equals to head. Now guys, again, I need a set Python. I am using set only. Is it okay? I am creating a variable called as h that is equals to set data type. I don't want linked list. I only want set. Is it okay? Now, while the value of it, same logic, while the value of it is not equals to null, while the value of it is not equals to null, but here they have given it as none. Can you see here, Python students? They have given the keyword as none. I am using the same keyword here. In Java, it was given as what? Null. But for you people, it is none. Is it clear? While the value of head is not equals to none. Check. What you will check? If head in h, you need to return true. Is it clear, Python students? Is it clear, Python students? If head is already in n, return true. Else what you will do? Insert. Guys, can someone tell me what is the method? I think it is add only. I forgot. Add, right? Yeah, add. So now what I will do, I will write it as h dot add of head, and you have to write head is equals to head dot next. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Same thing I am doing. Same thing I am doing. When I run it, Python students, is the program running for us? And if I submit, the program will 100% execute. Guys, is it clear? Guys, is it clear? Did you understand how simple this concept is? Pakka. Can I stop the recording, guys? Can I stop the recording? Don't leave the meeting. Okay, and stop the recording.